Kublai pi barang yang pilihan subhai pi syutu kubor mentaka janmit, syuaban paji kubor kibabnya in pecuai kimat bakongsan. Kanwan kesorkar kelek kaulang hak election sekian dor bar thawaan yang Meghalaya namar amdan kawairu keseng san perthai kebala bantau sorkar marway. Job bun cuki tam keseng NPP hak election sekian dor bar thawaan yang Meghalaya. Penlengak keseng VVP hak keseng perthai yang Meghalaya. Bat job santli ki ke TMC bat santli ke Kongres ke election sekian darbar thawaan ha Meghalaya. Ki kubor ki babnya kanwan ke sorkar klek khaulang ke darbar thawaan ha Meghalaya ha ke ba amdan kaweru kasan kesengsan perthai ke balak bantau sorkar marwe. Katkum ke jinglong jiman keseng NPP kelalong keseng ke bayok buntam da ar ritli ki syuki. Kat ba keseng TMC bat Kongres ke layok mar santli ki syuki. Keseng BJP kam semlala ban lep ha hakani ke election ha ke ba ke job tanglai teli ki syuki. Kinong elam bahakmat jong keseng san perthai per kila poisa ke jakan nyop vote ban syemi ki sernot rengkat bar kinong kersan bubun ki balayalum habar ban hisyat bat ban lek menlang. Keseng riulum ke ba hek tam ke United Democratic Party kala la ban job haduk khatwe teli ki syuki. Keseng National People's Party kelala ban lek bah ha ke kenti ha ke ba kelalong keseng ke job bun tam ki syuki ha ke election saking dorbar thawaan ha Meghalaya. Kinong elam bapa khmat kum Konrad sangma wa prostun tensong ikang amperin uba wailat miki uba snyau bhalang bat kiwe-kiwe kelayo jing job ha ke election. Konrad sangma ula ai kublai ki pajba ki bayak ai jing kershan ya ke NPP bat ulaang ba ya karai babat no banitre lang hadin bladep nyau an sashim hadin.
Thank the people of the state for having voted for our party. We're very thankful to them. And of course, we are short a few numbers, so we will just wait for the final results to come out.
Keseng Voice of the People's Party ke badang syudep thau seng thamai ha Meghalaya kala penlengok ya ki babon naba kala job da South Ligi Syuki nagi khat prat Ligi Constituency ba ke yakun. Ki sangut ki kertong ki bela job hakani keseng nakani keseng kilong iba Arden Miller basaya moj ubala penrem ya kertong keseng UDP uba Lambor Mangyang da saw hajar ndru pravot uba Adalbat nongrum ula job na North Shillong da ka penrem ya kertong ke BJP uba M Kharkrang. Uba Bright Starwell marbenyang na maulai uba Heaving Stone Karpran na maurang keneng. Habakran bagi nong thok kubor uba Arden ulaang bakiwe ki seng san perthai ki bahe kila ken ben ya ke VVP bat kimsem poi perkhat baka VPP kan job hadu South Lake ki syuki.
We know, especially the mainstream, they undermine the VPP. They didn't expect us because they thought that we will win only 2-3 seats. But for us, it is not a surprise. In fact, we expect more than this.
Keseng TMC kala job Southly nanong thamai songsak da dengre bat Ampati constituency. Keseng Kongres kala job Santli Kisuki namawati nong ston umsning melim bat Gambagre. Hake election saking dorbar thawaan gejala. Habakran bat kinong thok kubor Presiden ke TMC uba Charles Pongrup ulaang baki breu ke jela ki sanya bat angnot hangi ha ka bak ngilala ban yo ya ka jing job.
The people of the state have believed in us and given us a mandate which may not be up to our expectations, but nevertheless it has been rewarding.
Ngadap da gadis kongo ya ki paiba bakila ailat enga sa sisin ban sekri yang iki ngam artatin bangan sa ay ka din sakli ka ba khamti kana iki hakane ka term ka ba ar
Kaseng BJP kelala bad job na ki artli jaka katana South Shillong bat pentor mkra constituency. Kuman cipen kenmau ba kaseng BJP hakan ki kenti kalai khun na baro an riputli ki syuki.
Election is election. We can't just predict it like that we're going to win the election. So we have to have faith on our voters and the faith of people. That's all I know.
Are you going ahead with government formation or what's next?
This is the High Command of the BJP will take a call on this. The decision will be taken by the national BJP leaders.
Kaseng UDP kala job dakat wet ligi syuki, kaseng PDF bat ka HSPDP kala yo mar art ligi syuki syaki yang dorbar tauan. Kaseng UDP kala job na mairang kleriat amlarem shela bat kiwe-kiwe ki constituency. Ka PDF kala job na mau kenro bat so'ra constituency. Ka HSPDP kala job na mau shenrut bat Mathadrashan constituency.
Kani ka jing job ta ka yong pajba ingo ya warok kinong chong yong ka 7 amrem kam tam ya war is ka wada kit deba yanga ha kani ka kanti wada yiga ba oblai wa chere lang i poi kani ka jing job
Mentepan ini pek kejing long jemban kesimnang Shillong, kejing shit kalong 4.4 degree Celsius bat kejing kreat kalong 10.3 degree Celsius. Kejing sengam kahau kalong samsaun kispa menstep and reply na kispa jan meet. Kesimnang kan rang. Saya simpan ngipin kemau ya pi begini kubor jongi pila ban page live haga juk hi kapor haga YouTube channel bat ru pila ban page kubor pemana kasingi haga Facebook Twitter bat Instagram jong ke di news Shillong. Chua ban page bukut jong untuk kubor ngempet biang sisi ni kimat bakong san. Kanwan ke sorkar klek kaulang haki election ciking dorbar thau ayam krian mar omdan kawai ru ka sengsan perutei ke balak bantau sorkar marway. Job bun cukitam ke seng NPP haki election ciking dorbar thau ayam Meghalaya. Penengah ke seng VPP haki san perutei Meghalaya. Bat job South Lake Cuki ke TMC bat santli ke Kongres hak election syakin dorbar Hoan Meghalaya. Dia perlu ketung lepas kubukut jung tuk kubor jung im taga janmit hadu ben sembiang bat pilai syai kesini kedai pi barak.
अरे छुटकी ये